this. Poor Scooter. Damn, someone don't like that motherfucker. Look at that. What happened? Poor little guy. Here we are. Walk down the street. What's up, guys? Scott with his lights on. Is that Jay? Look at this fucking guy. Look at fucking this one. What's that? I spotted the lights from like a mile away. What's going on, Vic? Yeah. Hopefully we find somewhere to park. I knew we got here late. Jay! What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
Yeah, man, we ain't going nowhere.